Okay, this is the garden update, and there are the cucumbers. They have flowers now. Alright, so this is a cucumber flower. If it is pollinated, it will become a tasty cucumber. Actually, the cucumbers are not that tasty, but they have a lot of water. Right, one. Okay, the potatoes soon will be collected. More cucumbers. More cucumbers. What's that flower? It's not a flower actually. And the tomatoes. And today's important mission is about the cherries. Let's see if there are red cherries. Huh? The pumpkin. The pumpkin have flowers. Right. There are creatures there. Alright, where are the cherries? Oh, there are the cherries. Okay. We have it. Good stuff. Hoppa. It needs a little more wrapping. Okay. I have to check the ones on the top. There are reddish, reddier. Okay.